Yo! On my way to pick up my buddy Chad. It's like 5 in the morning on a Saturday. We're gonna hit Lake St. Clair. It's supposed to be a little windy, but I think it'll be fine because we're gonna be in a boat and not a kayak this time. So let's go pick him up. What's up, bud? What's up, dude? Good to see you. Wow, looks so empty in here.
I know. Yeah.
So this is the SS Baruda?
Yes. Oh, look at all SS Baruda.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna give the intro. If you want.
Yeah.
All right, Chad, where are we at?
We're at Lake St. Clair. Beautiful day. It's water temp 72.5. Bassmaster of 2011, 2012, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019,
And
2021, 2022.
yeah, boat race champions.
I'm not done yet. Okay. 2024, 2027. Let's get a couple of years here. You know, gotta stay humble. Yeah, boat race champions. 115 right there.
Yeah.
2 cycles.
Heard of it? Got the Merc.
Is about 7:20 in the morning.
Are we gonna catch anything?
No.
This should do it. One of these should work.
Wow, where you want to head to?
Okay. Let me check it out.
There's the bass boat there.
Well, the bass, go where he's at. Going. Just kidding. I wore a swim trunk so I can jump in if we catch a muskie to celebrate. If we catch a muskie, I'm going in the water. If we catch a muskie, I'm going in the water. Let's just, let's go out deeper, dude. Go.
Yeah, there?
Yep.
Boat over there, the bass boat that's cruising.
Yeah.
And they're just throwing that water out.
That's my buddy for sure. Wait, he doesn't do. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Get the net! Get the net! Hurry!
I'm getting.
Get it! Ready?
Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
Come on, net guy! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
You can tell I've done that before.
On the board.
Fuck yeah.
Ow! Bit me.
Hey,
Alright.
Pepe. Yeah,
Alright.
buddy.
Here, get proof now.
We did it. We did a fish. Well, I'll switch it over.
I was just watching how to get pro sponsorships for fishing. It's actually kind of wild. Basically, it's like, okay, sponsorship, like if I wanted a sponsorship, I would say, hey, you give me $10,000 and I can guarantee you a multiplier of 7 to 10. And that means I'll make you $70,000 to $100,000 off of what I do. Because I say I only use your products and I can prove to you or, you know, guesstimate that it'll be, oh, net. Oh, dude, is that a muskie? Oh, is that a muskie?
Get it over here.
You're a horrible net man.
I am.
Yes, dude, a muskie! A muskie! Yes! Oh my god! Yeah, dude!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's so cool, dude!
You did it! There we go!
Alright!
Yeah!
Dude!
Oh my gosh!
Please get me a picture. Oh, dude, I'm so excited.
Dude, that is a nice one too. Oh my god.
So 3-4.
A little bit longer than that.
How's that? It's like stuck.
I can't see what this is.
25 probably.
Okay. Oh god. Did it make it around?
It was too deep for me to. I don't see it, so.
Yay! We did it!
Yeah.
What do you think?
Let's go. That's it. No, I think that might be a record. We'll have to submit it to DNR.
Awesome!
I can't believe it.
You did it, man.
Oh, I gotta jump in the water.
Yes, you do! Is it like, but it's good though. Like
It's good. It's not hard to keep up. You just have to pay.
Down?
Yeah. Oh!
Dude, you're right.
Yeah, I'm good. Dude! Dude, it went right to the camera. Dude, he threw it at me.
Was that a smallmouth?
Yeah, a little one. Dude, he threw it right at me.
That's awesome.
Oh my god. That'll be a good.
Okay, so I'm 100% for negative.
Chad, do you want to sit up front now?
Like they never like brag about what they got, or like they will brag about like some things, but it's not like.
Yeah.
Get in that! Oh, it's big.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big.
Keep reeling.
Oh!
Yeah! Let's go. Yes, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
I'm stuck.
Oh.
How was that net job?
Fuck yeah.
Let me start recording. Oh, dude, that thing's a tank. This thing was not gonna come off, dude. Awesome.
It's like 312.
Nice, dude.
2021.
Nice, dude.
Jeez.
Dude, let's go.
Fuck yeah.
Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I was getting bit. Yep, took the hook. Took the hook out. No, there's too much grass. There's your bass, or largemouth.
How did I get the water actually in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah, if you
like
just
right
go,
down there.
yeah,
Oh, that way?
yeah. You could go right, or you could just stay on the side of it. I said I'd jump in if I caught a muskie. But I'm like, Chad, I know how to do a backflip.
Oh, let's see it. Oh. That actually was pretty cool.